Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another video. It's been a while. I hope you are all doing fine. So today we are going to do a pamper routine. My curls need to be washed. As you can see, it's up in a bun. Today's wash day, so I'm going to show you guys how I pamper my hair. So first of all, we are going to do is using a spray bottle with water. Like, it was an old water, like rose water thing, but there's only water now. So just take a spray bottle to wet your hair first. So I'm gonna put my little towel. I'm using a towel because I don't want to wet my bed. And I hope you don't see the ring light reflection. If you do, I'm sorry. I need lighting. But basically this is my hair, really dry, really frizzy. By the way, I've colored my hair. I don't know if I've said this, but yeah, my hair is colored. Get it back to my natural hair color. First of all, just wet your hair. You can also section your hair if your hair is really thick. Mine is not that thick, it's okay. So I've wetted one part. I'm gonna wet the other part and come back because it's gonna be too long. So basically now my hair is damp, as you can see. So after that your hair is damp, it shouldn't be too wet, like just damp. We are going to use oil. So basically you can use any oil you want. I've used the oils that I have right here. You can even add a deep conditioner if you want. I deep condition once a week in the shower anyways. By deep conditioning I mean using deep conditioner, but today we are going to use oil. So I'm going to use two oils, coconut oil and olive oil. What I did was I put coconut oil in a bowl and I added olive oil. Just eyeball it and put it in the microwave. So the mixture looks, I don't know if I can show you guys. Yeah, you see like this, it's like oil. So your hair is wet. We are going to apply the oil. I'm gonna use this brush, like it's brush to apply hair color, but I don't have a oil thingy to apply. I'm gonna use, like, you know, the oil bottle. I'm gonna put a photo somewhere. I don't have that, so I'm gonna use this to put my oil treatment. So just take oil and put it on your scalp. I'm gonna first apply to the roots and then to the rest of my hair. So my hair is not detangled. I should have detangled it, but I'm gonna do it afterwards. Detangle your hair before you do that. So I'm all done with part one and I can already tell my hair is greasy. Let me do the other side and come back. So I have put the oil completely over my hair. Now I'm going to comb my hair. I'm using a normal brush. I'm gonna brush my hair starting from the bottom. I'm gonna part my hair as well because this is not working. If you have thick hair, definitely part your hair. So I'm starting from the bottom. As you can see, my hair is cut to the top. We are done. After that, I'm gonna re-wet my hair just a bit. I wetted my hair to make sure the oil was really penetrating my hair, because I feel like my hair absorbs better when it's wet, but that's my hair. Now I'm gonna put my hair upside down. This is called the inversion method, so I'm gonna put you guys a bit down so you can see. This stimulates hair growth. After you've done that, we're almost done. Put your hair in a bun. Just re-wet your hair bun. And we will need a shower cap. So I don't have a steamer. I don't have a little bonnet where you can like put your blow dryer in it. I had one, but it's broken. So I'm gonna use this here. Little trick, just wet your shower cap with water. To do the steaming, you can even wet a towel and put it in a microwave and then put it on your head. I'm gonna leave that for, I think, the whole night. I'm gonna leave this on and do some Netflix. And before I go to bed, I'm just gonna remove the shower cap and just sleep with my bun. You can also just let that 1 hour sit and then just wash your hair and do your regular hair routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. After that, I usually just do my regular curly hair routine. If you haven't checked that out yet, make sure to click the little bell right here for my curly hair routine. I'm talking about hair a lot on my channel, so make sure to check that out. I have multiple videos on my hair. If you want to see more about hair, curly hair, comment down below. And don't forget to follow me on my socials right here and to subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!